Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can order from Swiggy. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Swiggy app. So once you tap open your Swiggy app, you will be redirected to this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply scroll down and find your favorite restaurant to add your menu. Once you have selected an item, simply tap on add, and once you have done it, you need to tap on add item. After this, you need to tap on view cart, and once you have viewed your cart, you will be redirected to this interface. Here you can know about all the fees that have been added. Now if you have any coupons, then you can simply tap on apply coupons, which will redirect you to this interface where you can simply use your coupon. After this, you need to type in your number and tap on proceed to payment. After you have tapped on proceed to payment, you need to now select a payment item for making your payment. And after you have selected a payment item, your order will be received, and this is how you can simply order on Swiggy. I hope you liked this video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.